friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here for a little announcement. The Fort Worth Fabric Studio has announced their next sew along, the Simply Summer Table Runner. And today I'm here to tell you a little bit more about it and how you can participate. So the Simply Summer Table Runner, as I said before, it's a table runner, is going to end up approximately 38 by 16. It's only going to take us 3 weeks to sew this one. It begins June 26th with the cutting, and then July 3rd and July 10th will be the sewing. So this is going to be a really fast sew along, and I love sometimes having a quick project in between all the other big projects I have going on. So if you've never participated in a Fort Worth Fabric Studio sew along before, you can either grab a kit from their website, and the kit this time is $39.96, and I've got it here, so I'll show you the fabrics in just a minute. Or you can just download the patterns for free, because the patterns are always free on their website, and choose your own fabrics, especially if you don't care for their fabrics or you have a large stash and you want to shop your stash. So that is something that Fort Worth Fabric Studio does every time, and I'm very grateful that they do that. And I think most of you are as well. I do like to support companies that give us free patterns, so this is a smaller kit, so if you can afford this one, that would be great to go pick it up from them. If you sewed the Simply Spring quilt last year, if you've been doing Fort Worth that long, you'll notice that it's the same fabric designer, Create Joy project from Moda. Now this is their new line, but all of their lines coordinate together. They're always the watercolor type fabrics. So if you've got that quilt hanging over your couch or chair in your home, this table runner will coordinate very nicely. So let me show you the fabrics. There's this really pretty blue. Oh, love that. You guys know I love my blues. There's this rainbowy fern. I like that one a lot too. Here's a daisy on a light blue background. Almost matches my jacket. Here's a green. This one's kind of a lime green. Here's a rainbow like floral ditzy. This one is a daisy on like a magenta background. This green is darker. It's a little bit of a grass green. Okay, this is a blue floral ditzy. And this is what they're known for, this big print. They always have this big print in all their lines. So this has that same light blue background. And this one, I'm going to guess, it's very interesting. I'm going to guess it's probably our binding. I don't know for sure, but it looks like it probably would be because it's a stripe. And I love a stripe binding, so I'm excited. I hope this is the binding. I think stripe bindings are so cute. Okay, and then we have our background fabric. So with all their kits, you get everything to do the top and the binding, and then you'll have to grab some backing fabric, whether that's your own, or you can grab it if you're like me and you're matchy-matchy, and you can get some for the back of your table runner. So if you order the kit, go ahead and get that backing fabric when you order the kit. I'll show you mine. You know I love the blue. So this is mine. I got the daisy on the blue. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And like I said, all of Create Joy Project's fabrics go together. They always do this like watery colory kind of thing. So if you did the project last year, then this will go with it really nicely. And one more thing, Jody did very generously again give me an extra kit to give away to one of you. So I have the Simply Summer Table Runner kit, and I'm putting this video up on Sunday, June 11th. So I'm going to give this away on Tuesday, June 13th. I don't want to take too much time, because if you guys are waiting to see if you won before you purchase the kit, I don't want the kit to sell out before you can purchase it. So if you're waiting to hear if you won or not. So all you have to do in the comments down below is put Simply Summer, and I will enter you in the drawing. On Tuesday, I'll randomly pick a name, and I'll make a video, and I'll announce the winner. I won't ask you in the comment, or won't tell you in the comments you're a winner. I won't ask for your information. So if you see anything like that, it's not me. I will tell you on Tuesday how to get in touch with me, and you'll have to get in touch with me, and then I will send it on its way to you. So if you would like to win this, just put in Simply Summer and tell me you would like to win the kit. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you really soon. Bye.